For today's lesson, you're going to need your driver and pitching wedge. Now that we have our clubs, let's secure our last few items. Grab about 5 practice balls, the foam practice balls. If you haven't got the practice balls, I'll make sure I put the link in the description. Also, grab you some golf tees. That's going to be for the driver. Now that we have everything, I would like to welcome you to my backyard golf range. The tee box will be located directly in between the bricks. And since we're outside in our backyard, we want to make sure that we're not that loud. So I like to start off by clearing my target area. Having a clear target area allows me to focus on where I want to land the ball. So I start off usually with my pitching wedge. Notice I don't use a lot of power, but I'm trying to align my shots close to the middle of the target. Next, I like to work on trying to increase loft. Try to hit the ball over the target area, but not outside of the target area. You can see this in the example. Okay, now it's time for the driver. Make sure that you clear the tee box area. Ensure there's nothing around you to cause a distraction. Place your golf tee in the ground. If you're not sure how high or low to put the golf tee, just go watch my video, Dyson's Golf Logo High Fly. Now align yourself with the target. In my backyard, I like to use the middle chimney to align myself with the perfect shot. Perform a practice swing. Make sure that you're facing the target when you're finished with your practice swing. This will help you align for your real shot. Notice the perfect shot. With the perfect line, almost hit the camera. Okay, let's change clubs back to the pitching wedge. So what I usually do here is use the same target that I use for the driver, but what I want to do is try to make sure I'm watching where the ball path and the flight path of the pitch is going. As you can see in the example, it looks like it's pretty straight. Sometimes it may bounce back towards me. That lets me know that I'm on a straight line as well. Based on my first shot with the pitching wedge, I would adjust and then hit the second shot and see if it's on line where I like it to go. That's perfect. After you hit a few clean shots, go ahead and collect all the golf balls. Make sure you don't forget your club. And if you're anything like me, you may just stop one more time to hit one last ball. That's a lot better. I hope you all enjoyed it. Let's head back inside. If you like what you heard, please subscribe down low at the bottom. The links are below. Hope that helped your game. Hope to see you out there and lowering your score.